Sensitive people, stay away. We're baking Fonkies today. Part chocolate lava, part cookie. Totally decadent. The recipe is very easy, I swear. First, let's prepare the cookie dough base. Combine the butter with the sugar. Then you add an egg. Mix well between each addition. After that, add the flour, a small amount of baking powder, and add the chocolate chips. At this point, only mix for a few seconds. I used my stand mixer for the cookie dough because it is significantly easier. But you can do it by hand. I'll write the references of the mixer below the video, by the way. Distribute this dough into 8 cm molds, greased and floured. Alternatively, you can use standard muffin cups if you prefer. This amount is perfect to make about 8 funky treats. We will now prepare the chocolate fondant. For that, melt together the butter, preferably lightly salted, with the chocolate. You can use 70% chocolate, that will be perfect. Add the sugar followed by the eggs. If this recipe appeals to you, please like the video. Also, remember to subscribe to the channel. Many people watch the videos without subscribing, and it really helps me a lot. When you subscribe, if you click the little bell, you can get notifications, so you get an alert when I post a video. Then add a little flour, not much, because we want it to be very runny. Carefully pour this chocolate mixture over the cookie dough base. Just like this. I can tell it's going to be quite good. Time to bake them. Wait a little before unmolding so you don't burn yourself. Wait for it to set a bit. Otherwise, the fondant might collapse. If you have trouble unmolding, run the blade of a knife around the edge of the cookie because that's where it might stick. And there you go. Look, we are now going to unveil our little Fonkie. Look at this center. It is absolutely amazing. Just viewing this video makes my mouth water. I feel an immediate urge to bake more. It was completely heavenly. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. If you try this recipe, please come back and tell me about it. Oh, and you always ask where the recipe can be found? It is under the video in the description.